Yes, children, good morning. Yes, children, good afternoon to one and all. Hope all of you are safe at home. And so happy to tell that all of you have attended the exams except two students. Hope that two students will come out with their proper reasons. I would like them to meet the principal. Hope you understood the test pattern well. Did all of you complete it properly without any problem? Yes, good. I have unmuted you all.
Good
You can
morning,
speak.
ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, now listen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Enough
Good
of wishes. Listen
ma'am.
to me, children. Now stop wishing. Stop. We have started our class. Okay. So once again, let me congratulate that all of you have done the exams well, except very few students. Hope the others also will do now well. Soon we will give you the marks. As per that, for the next time, you should be very careful in writing test. Okay. Yes. Now, so today, yeah, please see that no other sounds come from your home. Children, children, no noise, please. See that there is no other sound. Settle down fast.
Ma'am, page number.
Yeah, listen first. If you listen to me, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, page number.
I'll tell you. Wait a second.
Ma'am.
If this is the case, continuous sounds, I have to mute you all. Children, listen. See, though you are not disturbing the class, but still from some of the houses, there are some sounds which disturbs the class a lot. Ishan, sit properly. Chetan, you are ready? Yes. So everyone is ready. Let us start today's class. Today we will start the lesson school, which already we have just had a small discussion before the test. Hope, did you remember? We had a little discussion on the chapter school. Yes, yes. So even then, maybe some of you have missed. So we will start the lesson school once again. It is page number 43. But before you need not open the book. I have provided everything in this. I will show it to you. You can enjoy this. Okay. So shall I unmute you? Hope all of you are quiet without any other sound at home. Yes. To all of you are quiet without any other sound at home. Everyone. Srijana, Hanusai, everyone should show it to me. Yes, good. Okay, so I am going to unmute you all. No other sounds. Okay. Great. So now I'm going to share a screen on the chapter school. Okay. Yes. Chapter 9, school. So we are going to do this. You people will enjoy this. Listen, children, you will enjoy this. But for that, you need to sit quiet and see that no other sound you get it from the home also. Okay. So now in the last chapter was places in the neighborhood, our neighborhood and our neighborhood places. So in that, you have seen this screen, I think. Did you remember this? Places in our neighborhood. Yes.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is the first one? Sometimes you have circus, right? Yes,
Yes,
some.
ma'am.
Yes, you have
Circles are very jokers.
jokers. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
right. Now listen.
We
There.
like circus.
Yeah. Please next. There you find bakeries in your neighborhoods. You have cakes. You eat different kinds of chocolates and ice creams and all. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And also,
We like chocolate.
yes, you like chocolates, and you see different kinds of temples, mosques,
Station. Yes,
gymnasiums,
ma'am.
office buildings, and now there is something important and very something very nice for you. Yes, cool. We find yes, we find schools also in our neighborhood. Can you tell me whose school is this?
Also.
Whose
School,
what?
ma'am. School.
Which school
My
is this?
school.
Which school?
US campus school.
Yes.
University of Hyderabad.
Very good. Yeah. Enough. Yes, enough. Yes, it is University of Hyderabad Campus School. That is
Campus school.
our school, right? It's our school. It's long time you have seen this gate, right? So I wanted you to show that gate. So I have put that picture. Okay, now let us start the lesson. School. School is an important place in the neighborhood. Do you think that it's important?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you feel that school is important? Why do you feel that school is important? Yes, because
We need to learn.
yes,
Learn.
yeah. Listen.
We learn many things.
Yes, nice. Now listen.
We learn many things. We learn about the birds. We learn
Right.
about the stars.
Yes,
We learn
see?
about
Okay, children,
we
listen.
learn about the
Children, stop. Here, children, stop now. Yes, we learn many things. Let us see what are the different things we learn in school. How school is so important to us. So most neighborhoods have schools. At school, we learn various things. Now
is an
listen.
important place in the neighborhood. Most
Now
neighborhoods
here, children, when I
learning
when I
learn things.
children, when I ask you to read, then only you should read. Right now, please don't read. We are just going through the lesson carefully. So this is the gate, our university gate. Let us enter into the school. Shall we enter? Shall we enter? Yes. So after a long time, you are coming into the school. Let us see what do happens in the school. So how does our day starts in our school? We start with a prayer. Yes, the school begins with prayers. The school begins with prayers. We pray God, right? Next, what is that we do? What next after prayer? Remember, say you are making so many sounds. Don't disturb, don't move, my dear children. Just be in one place. Your movements also make a lot of disturbance in the class.
Ma'am, I like to go school, ma'am.
Yes, everyone should like to.
Ma'am, I like to
Okay,
go
now.
to school, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Me
Now
too,
listen.
ma'am.
Yes, stop. Now, in the assembly, after prayer, we do school assembly activity. You remember, we do so many activities in the assembly. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your school dance? Assembly dance? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can
Yes, ma'am.
yes, listen, you can recollect all our school memories because it's long time you have come to school. So please maintain discipline and enjoy the class. And next, we need timetable for our classes to be run, right? You remember you used to have a timetable and we put it on the yeah, we put it on the wall or door in your classroom, isn't it?
Yes.
So now
Yes,
listen.
ma'am.
Yeah, now listen. Listen, children.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, children, it's very good that you people are very disciplined, but still there are sounds which are disturbing our class a lot. So right now, for some time, I'm going to meet you all so that I can tell this clearly and every student can listen to this clearly. Okay, as you said, that timetable is something very important for our school to run, isn't it? Because teacher should know, you should know what class is going to be started, isn't it? So now this is one of the timetables which we used to use for the last year second class. So during the day, DURING, it is during the day, we follow the timetable to learn different subjects. So you can see different subjects in this timetable, but there are something which is very important and which very interesting for you. Can you tell me what is an interesting period in this timetable for you? I know most of you would like to have games, right? So you used to have games in your period, music in your period, library, drawing as well, isn't it? So games, music, library and drawing, which you are very much interested in. And apart from that, all other different subjects like English, Hindi, Telugu, EVS, maths and etc, isn't it? So you can just recollect this timetable once. So I wanted you people to recollect it. I have shown you one of the timetables which I found. So let us go to the next part. In school, our teachers teach us in English, isn't it? All teachers teach you in English, only except Hindi and Telugu teachers, right? Because Hindi cannot be taught in English and Telugu cannot be taught in English, isn't it? You should learn Hindi and Telugu also. So they teach in the other respective languages. Otherwise, all other subjects are taught in English. Yes. So now we also learn to speak, read, and write different languages. Hope you remember this picture. Children, do you remember this picture? See it carefully. Let me unmute you, but no noise, please. I'm going to unmute you because I also would like to listen how anxious you are to see these pictures. Yes. So let me share it again. Hope you remember this picture. This is from your, yes, this is from your class. Yes, when you were when you were learning to write something on the board. Now see your friends Hanu Sai is there, Hasini, Satvik, many children are here. I think Tridiva is also there. So there are many children here in this. You can enjoy seeing your pictures. So we also learn to speak, read and write different languages. Okay. So now see this. The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. The language which you speak at your home. You try to communicate with your parents to tell your whatever your explanations are. So yeah, it's some of you speak Telugu, some of you speak Hindi. Yeah, please listen. Yes, it depends on, yes, whatever language you speak at home is your mother tongue, is your mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
So the language we speak at home is our mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
Yes, very good. So next one, see here. Next, there is one subject, mathematics. Do you love maths? Yes. Yes. So yes, this is also from your class picture only because I used to go to for first B. Those who have come to second B now. So I have pictures of only first B. Other students I do not have, but still you can enjoy this, right? So mathematics is the subject about numbers. Mathematics is the subject about numbers, isn't it? So you have learned many numbers, you have learned additions, you have learned subtractions, isn't it? You have learned multiplication tables, right? See here you are writing the missing numbers. So you have learned so many things and all these you learn in the subject mathematics. So mathematics is a subject about numbers. In mathematics, we learn to count and do sums. See, here children are doing that on the board, isn't it? So next is our subject. What is our subject? What is our subject? Environmental education. See, who is that making a lot of disturbance? Here, children. See, then I need to stop this and mute you all if you keep on making, because see, you people are sitting very disciplined. That I liked a lot, but at the same time you should see that nobody makes a noise also. Huh? Okay, so once again let us start our work. Just a second. Yeah, just a second. Okay, now regarding environmental education teaches us about the things and the people around us, isn't it? So in environmental education only, we are learning about the neighborhood places, our neighborhood, our houses, the plants and animals, isn't it? Didn't we learn all these chapters in our previous classes? Yes. So we learn about the earth on which we live. I have shown you the globe there. We learn about the plants and animals. See, here children have come out of the classroom to learn about the different types of leaves, different sizes of leaves. So this is how you people learn environmental education at school. We learn about our body and the way it works. Yes. So now let us see. We enjoy drawing and craft. Now you are, see, those who have scribbled on the screen, kindly erase it. Otherwise, I will not show you the next picture, which is very interesting for you all. You have done something good at school, which I have taken the picture. Please rub the scribbled one. Who has scribbled it? Rub it off. Children, I'm waiting for you. Please rub that. Okay, right now I have done it. So we enjoy drawing and craft also at home. See here, children are drawing. They have color pencils. We provide all color pencils and everything at school. So you draw, color it, isn't it? Guru Dipti. And here, can you see this picture? What is this? What is this? Did you remember? Ganesha. We have made this in crafts class, CCA class. Now you see the other picture and try to remember what you have done in the classroom. See, these are the different groups from class 1A, I think. And the students have tried to make Ganesha with the clay. Yes? Do all of you remember this? Do all of you remember this, children? Yes, let me unmute you so that you can answer. Yes. So, do all of you remember the Ganesha made by you all?
Yes,
Yes. Yes. It was a funny class, right? So, you people have made
Yes.
so cute Ganesha. Sorry. So cute Ganesha using clay. Yes. So, see,
Yes.
all these different
Yes, ma'am.
groups you have made a teams. You have learned how to work in a team and you made the Ganeshas, and see how you people are showing. So interesting. It was so cute, all of you. And then next we play various games in school during recess. This is during interval. What you people do? You people play in short interval, right? Lunch break. You'll have your lunch, then keep your boxes aside, then start playing, isn't it? Yes, very good. So so you people can recollect all the memories you used to do at school after 6 months. It's long time you have come to school, right? So I wanted
This
you
is
to
the
remember
memory.
all. Yes, remember all that things and enjoy. So now next is the school also has library. The school also has library where books are kept for us to read. But in our school, library teacher used to come to your class, right? So next, we love to go to school. As you all said just now, you love to come to school. Yes, because now you are missing the school, but still we are trying to
Yes.
provide you everything on online so that you do not miss your studies and you do not miss your exams. That we are taking care, and you are also so nice that you people are also cooperating. Now in school we celebrate festivals. Did you remember what are the different festivals we celebrated in school? We had Independence Day. We had what else?
Also, ma'am.
Sankranti also we celebrated. We celebrated Vinayak
Children's
Chavati,
Day.
Children's Day,
Teachers
right?
Day. Teachers Day, ma'am.
Teachers Day.
Teachers Day, ma'am. Teachers Day.
Nice. Enough. Stop it now. Stop it now. Now, can you
Teachers Day.
stop it? Now, can you tell me what is this picture? I am showing you some picture. What is this?
Picture. Independence Day.
This is 2000.
Independence Day.
Right, very nice. So in 2019, we celebrated Independence Day. And do you know when does this Independence Day fall? On which day?
August 15th.
Oh, nice. 15th of August, right? So, yes. So this is,
August 15th.
yes, this is our class.
August 2014.
Yes, this is our
2014.
this is our school Independence Day celebration. Now keep quiet. I am showing you something interesting. Here, children. Children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You people are not making noise, but still I can hear so much of noise that disturbs the class. So I have to forcibly mute you all. So now listen, as you said, this is Independence Day celebrations. Now see the picture, which you will love to see this. Do you remember all this? Yes, the first one is by KG students, a dance performed by KG students on the eve of Independence Day. Then this is the picture of you all performing exercises, right? Next, do you remember this picture, children? This is from your class, right? From first, when you were in class 1, you people have performed a dance. And here there's a peacock, right? And this was by class 2 children, those who are in 3rd class right now. Hope you're enjoying these pictures, right? So now let us see this. Now this is, as you said, Teachers' Day celebration. And Teachers' Day is on 5th of September. 5th September every year we celebrate Teachers' Day. And can you tell me whose birthday is that we celebrate every year? It's Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Now, we also have celebrations on Teachers' Day, that is 5th September, and Children's Day, that is 14th November. And do you remember this picture, children? This is the celebration of Teachers' Day, and children try to entertain the children by, try to entertain the teachers by enacting play or by dance. So this is how you were enjoying and you were even entertaining the teachers. Yes. Who has scribbled? Kindly rub it off, children. In between, you remember all these things, right? Okay, now on Teachers' Day, we show our gratitude to our teachers. Gratitude. We show our gratitude to our teachers. So you show that respect towards teachers. See here, this girl is giving a flower to the teacher. And this is how we have celebrated Teachers' Day, by showing your respect towards teacher to every teacher, right? You have done that. And here, see Sarvepalli Radhakrishna photo we are praying, right? And we enact skits and entertain our teachers. This is what we have discussed just now. Yes, next is now the very interesting part which you love to do is Children's Day. Children's Day is a fun-filled day. Sai Yatin, will you stop scribbling on the screen? Or shall I just close your, shall I remove you from this? Rub it off, Sai Yatin. Children's Day is a fun-filled day. We have games and competitions. Hope you remember you had drawing competition, you had races, you had lemon in the spoon competition, book balancing, all the different competitions you had, isn't it? You had fun on that days. Then you were given prizes for that. Yes, yes. Now the next part is the interesting one. Hope you remember this. We enjoy going for picnics with our teachers, right? We play many games and share our food with others. Hope you remember this picture. This was when we went to picnic with all of you, right? So now, on Sports Day, many sports events take place. Parents come to watch us taking part in these events. Right. So this is the chapter school. And let us just go through the points which we have learnt it in the lesson. Most neighborhoods have schools. At schools, we learn various things. The language we speak at home is our mother tongue. We celebrate many festivals in school. Right. So now, uh, please all of you open your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 43. Page number 43. Yes.
Page
So now
number
43, 43, 43. Okay, now children, uh, raise your hand who wants to read. Yes, Nishant has, no, not Nishant, he did not raise the hand. Yes, Joshita has raised her hand first. So let me find out. Joshita, can you read the lesson? Just start. Joshita, start reading.
School is an important place in the
Nice.
neighborhood.
Very good.
Neighborhood have schools.
Very
At
good.
school, we learn various things.
Yes, at schools we learn various things, right? Okay. Okay, fine, Joshita. It's good. So next, Jashmitanjali. Um, see one by one.
Madam, please.
Yes, Jashmitanjali, unmute yourself.
School is an important place in the neighborhood. Most at schools we
Most
learn
neighbor, here, Jashmitanjali, you missed one line. Most neighborhoods.
most neighborhoods we we have schools
My,
at school
my
we
dear,
learn
hello. Most neighborhoods have schools.
have schools.
At school.
At schools
Hmm.
we learn
Hmm.
previous
Various.
things various things.
Very good. Next line.
The school we
GINS begins
begins
with
with
prayers.
prayers.
Yes, the school begins with prayers. Repeat it.
The school begins with prayers.
Very good. Okay. Next, let us go to the other person who would like to read. Lalita Aditya is raising the hand. Yes, Lalita Aditya, unmute yourself. Yes, read it. Read from the continue. No, continuation of Jashmitanjali. During the day,
During the day, we another time
we follow. No, say it. Lalita Aditya, say it properly. We follow, right?
the timetable to learn different subjects.
Yes.
There are periods
Periods for
for games, music, library, and drawing as
as well. As well. Very good, Lalita Aditya. Okay. Next, let us go to some other person who is ready. Who wants to read? Kindly raise a hand so that I can unmute you. Yes, Srujana wants to read. So nice. Okay, Srujana. Yeah. Read. Turn the page. Turn the page.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, read it.
It's school. In school, our teachers teach us in English.
Nice.
We thought
We also, nice. Yeah, continue.
we also learn to speak, read, and write different languages.
Very good. Continue.
The languages we speak
The language. Wait. The language we speak.
the language we speak at home in our hometown.
No, is our mother tongue. Is our mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
Very good.
Mother
Okay.
tongue.
Okay, let us ask others to read this now. Who else is ready? Joshita already read, right? Other person, yes, here Mohammad Uzair is ready. Okay. Yes, Uzair, I have unmuted you. You can read. Continue of it.
In school,
Not from the beginning, my dear. Not from the beginning. Continue where Sujna has stopped. Turn the page. You should be alert in the classroom.
in school, our teachers teach us in English. We also learn to speak, read, and write different languages.
Stop.
The language.
Stop. Ujay, wherever you find full stop, you should stop a second. You should not continue reading. Once again, read from the beginning. In school.
In school, our teachers
Teach us.
in English.
Stop. Now.
We also learn to speak, read, and write different languages.
Very good.
The language we speak at home is our mother tongue.
Very good. Now let us go to the other person. Who else raised the hand? Bhumika Singh is ready. Okay, fine. Okay, let me unmute you. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, read it. Continuation of it.
Mathematics is the subject about numbers. In mathematics, we learn to count and do sums.
Very good. Continue. Continue, dear.
Environmental.
Environmental.
Environmental
Education.
education teaches us about the things and the people around us. We learn
Wait,
about
wait,
the
wait,
earth.
wait. When you get full stop, you should wait, right? Okay, anyways, you
Okay,
read well. Let me give a chance to others. So, Sharwani is ready. Fine. Okay, Sharwani. Yes, I have unmuted you. Read again, once again from mathematics. Yes.
We learn about the each
Listen, Sharwani, listen to
earth.
listen to me. I said read from mathematics once again.
Mathematics is the subject about numbers. Numbers. In mathematics, we learn to connect, count, and do sums.
Good.
Environment, environment,
Environmental.
education teaches us about the things and the people around us. We learn about the earth on which,
Earth, earth
we
on which we live,
we live
on which we live.
we live on which we live.
Very good. Okay, Sharwani, let us give chance to others. Fine. Who else? Who else? Nobody wants. Yes, here someone raised the hand. Who raised the hand here? Ishant. Okay, Ishant. Fine. Let me and yeah, Ishant, you're ready. You can read from. We learn about the plants. Yes.
We learn
Yes.
about
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
plant and
Plants,
animals.
plants and animals. Hmm.
We
Hmm.
we learn
Yes.
about our body
Yes.
and the way it works.
Very good. Your mother is helping you, Ishant. Hmm? You can read it on your own, right? So let us give chance to others. Okay, who else? Yes, Viksha. Okay, Viksha, get ready. Yes, continue.
From where, ma'am?
Next, continuation of it. Ishant has stopped the way it works, right? Now we enjoy.
The way it works.
Now the next continuation of it.
The way it works.
Yeah.
We enjoy drawing and craft.
Okay.
We play various games in school during
Recess.
recess.
Yes. Continue.
The school also has a library where books are kept for us to read.
Yes.
We love to go school.
We love to go to school. Good, Diksha. Who else? Saurajesh is ready. Fine. Okay. Yes, I have unmuted you. You can read, ma. It's
Like Independent Day and Republic Day.
yes.
We also have celebration on Teachers' Day.
Celebrations.
Celebrations on Teachers' Day, 5th September,
Yes.
and Children's Day, 14th November.
Very good. Okay, so Rajesh. So let us give chance to one more kid who is ready. Nobody is raising the hand. No, not the same person. Joshita, Sharwani, already I have given you chance. Who else? Karuna Vachalya. Okay, fine. Yes, Karuna. Read, ma.
On Teachers' Day with we show our to
Gratitude.
gratitude to our teachers.
Teachers.
Teachers,
We
enact
enact skits.
skin and eat
Entertain.
our teachers.
Very good. Continue, dear.
Children's Day is a fun
Fun-filled day. Fun-filled.
we have games and competitions.
Okay, Karuna, nice. Okay, so our time is up, so I cannot give so much more time for others because we have other dealings also. So now, children, listen to me. As you people are feeling a bit difficult in reading the lesson, right? So you have to make practice at home. So all of you today read the lesson at home and try to record the audio and send it to me. That is the homework. Did you understand? Read the lesson at home, record, send the audio, not video. If you are sending video, I'm going to delete that. Is that clear? So all of you send the audio recording of reading the lesson. Clear? And read it yourself. Okay, children? Hope you enjoyed the class. So by today evening or by tomorrow morning, I should get the audio. Right then? Okay. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Read
Yeah.
the lesson.
Yeah, yeah, bye. You have to read the lesson.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, children. Now, if anyone has doubt regarding anything of this lesson, kindly raise your hand. I will unmute you. You can ask me. Otherwise, we will end the meeting. Yes, Viksha, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, we should read full lesson.
Yeah, you have to read the complete lesson. It will not take much time. Completely read it, record it, and send it to me. Okay? And read it neatly. Wherever you have full stop, you should wait a second. You should not continue the sentence. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, then. Fine. I'm leaving the meeting. Fine. Okay, then,
Teacher,
children.
after
Bye.
class, I will do it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, bye.